How to use keyboard and mouse on iPad. So one of the ways you can do this is by using a compatible wireless keyboard and mouse. So these are wireless devices that we can connect in our iPad through or via Bluetooth. So to do this, they're pretty much the same process. We can go ahead into our iPad settings and we can go ahead into Bluetooth. In Bluetooth, we're just gonna go ahead and wait until we find the devices in the other devices sections. But our keypad and mouse is still turned off, so we're gonna go ahead and turn it on first. So make sure they're both already powered and charged. So the process goes smoothly. And now that our keypad or keyboard is on, we can just go ahead and press on the connect button. It may be different with your keyboard or models, but in our case, it is just those two steps. You turn it on and choose the connect button. This is a brandless keyboard, but you may have similar procedures. So again, make sure they are compatible or else most of the features or will not work. So first the keypad, now it has appeared right here. You can go ahead and toggle that until it connects. If this appears, we can just go ahead and press on pair, and now the blinking has stopped. Next, we can go ahead and connect our mouse. So make sure it is on the Bluetooth setting. In this case, it is going to be switched down. As you can see, not really. It's down here. You have the Bluetooth, you have the off and 2.4, which is this dongle, but you won't be able to fit this dongle anywhere in the iPad, so we're going to be using the Bluetooth option. And as you can see, the BD 5.2 mouse has appeared, which is just Bluetooth 5.2, I suppose. Go ahead and pair, and now we have our keyboard and mouse connected. The Apple Pencil is a different thing, but we can go ahead and exit and see that our mouse now appears. So as you can see, that mouse appears. You can go ahead into our notes to test out the keyboard. So we're going to go ahead and type in hello, which is H. I'm not going to spell that out, but as you can see, the keyboard does work. Some functions that you were to expect in the laptop or desktop, like Control A or first Control. So Control A will not work since it is iPad and it wasn't meant to be doing this, but some functions do work. Just not all of the functions you will expect on your computer. As for the mouse, you can right click, you can left click, and yeah, the typical mouse experience, except for some features, I suppose. You have the DPS as well for some reason. But that's one way you can use keyboard and mouse on iPad. You can use a wireless option, any color you want. And yeah, hopefully this video does help. If it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this. And that's all.